Alright, today is a different one. Today we have a PS5. Well, okay, same console, but different problem. Sorry for the camera shake. Give me 1 second while I adjust this. Is actually, I'll tell you a story. It's actually a kind of funny story. So my friend had, my friend's birthday is today, and his dad was going to give him a PS5. He bought this one thinking it was fine, but obviously it wasn't. The fan connector completely ripped off the board. Tronics Fix says this all the time. Pull up on the white, not the black. Usually with repair shops that do not have any experience, what they do is they're rushing through everything, and then they just end up ripping it out. So he gave me a little bit of money and this one for a working one I had, which is a slim model. So he actually got a better upgrade. So yeah, it's crazy. Give me 1 second and I'll zoom in. Just give me a second. These things. And I'm just gonna grind away at these traces. So speed up. But I'm going to use it. Oh, my bad. I forgot to turn on my fume extractor, so I'll probably mute the audio then because it's going to be loud. Tape away the other one. I don't know why I didn't do it before, but okay, now we have to add flux to these points and solder them on, and then we can add a bunch of flux. Well, I'm going to add solder to it first. So okay, these pads are so so this goes like this. So this pad is not going to be making contact with the board. So I have this enameled wire that I have that I'm going to use to put under the thing. Yep. So the fan actually works. Alright, there's one. Okay. So I have both of them on now. I'll run a wire to the ground point on the board once I put the connector on, so I'm gonna just put these up a little bit. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the connector, place it here. Now I'm gonna solder this joint to ground. What am I talking about? I did this so wrong, heads up. It's not that it's not that difficult. Yeah, I did it right later. I didn't get it on video, unfortunately, but I did it right the second time. So just don't scream at, you know, the video. Okay, I completely redid the pads, completely. Oh, let's go. See that? Success! Yeah! Feels good. Alright, well, that was another fix, so I'm gonna test it out, and if the video ends, then I successfully did it. If it didn't, then you'll see another clip. Yep, you guys are seeing another clip. Okay, so I got this error code. Yep, I tried to update it. It booted in safe mode. So my initial thought was, okay, I could fix this. But what I did was I contacted Sony support. They just said they'd fix it for me completely free, and I'm like, okay, I could figure out how to fix this thing, but if they're gonna do it for me, might as well take it. And you know, and Sony said, like, if they can't fix it, they'll just send me a new one. Hey, that's a win. That's a win.